Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Recently we celebrated 600,000 followers on Instagram and I just can't believe there are more than 600,000 women around the world who, like me, love saris. And so I thought I would take today to show you guys some of the tips and tricks I've learned in building this community and taking pictures. I am by no means a model. I still don't think I pose great, but there are a few things I've learned in getting those beautiful pictures in a sari. So the number one tip I have for you is when you're wearing a sari, you don't want to stand like this because you're not showing off the beautiful pleats that you have. So in a picture, try to show off the left side of your body, turn 45 degrees and shake out your pleats a little and let them hang. And then, so this is me with straight legs. And if I just pop my left knee, look what happens to those pleats. They're beautiful and it just shows off your drape. And then obviously if you do have a hanging palu, make sure you're breaking your wrist. We'll go through that in one of the tips later on in this video. But this is the number one tip and trick for posing in a sari. I will be sharing more of them in this video. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite, and I will see you guys in a future video.
Maybe we should all just get along with each other and put away our problems. Or whatever it is, we just need to forget about everything and just have a